Umentri rang baga Jylla ukonrat ke sangma haka khandai Tarik Lber ulaong baga Samoi Mang Tyngka jangga Jylla gan Sdang haka arho Tarik Lber bat ka tanat finance kalapan kre ya ka Mang Tyngka ka bapura. Haba keranch kila pathai khobor usangma ulaong baga long ka babahaban pendap no ya ka Mang Tyngka hashwa ka lai phui Tarik Lber khnang baga sarkar kan laban Sdang no ekikam bat ban penyat koloy yeki egi ibro. Halor ke jingkali lakan long ka vote on account budget usangma ulaong.
It is healthy. It's good to do it because then we can start the work and process quickly. Because now if we go for only vote on account, then it will be only for the first quarter, and then we'll have to meet again. So and then the full budget picture does not come out. The team has been working in the last many months to complete the budget exercise, which in fact started a long time back, even before the elections were announced. So therefore, the finance department is very much ready with a full budget.